The next round is more complicated, and we will have to make each of those petals separately. We will start with 11 single crochet into the arch, and we will make a raising loop, a slip stitch first to the second single crochet, raising loop, and 9 of single crochet. Same way, slip stitch to the second one, raising loop, and 7. The next one will be 5, 3, and 1. There we will cut the thread, and we will start from another arch the same way. I'll try not to cut, but I will see how it's gonna work for me. I want to see if it's gonna work for me. Let's check. Slip stitch into the arch, a raising loop, and 11 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We turn, slip stitch into the second single crochet, a raising loop, and starting from the same one, we make 9 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We turn the doily, slip stitch into the second one, raising loop, and 7 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We turn the doily, slip stitch into the second, raising loop, and we make 5 single crochet here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We turn, slip stitch into the second, raising loop, 1, 2, 3. We turn, slip stitch, raising loop, and 1 single crochet. I'm going to cut this piece of thread, and I will show you later how to hide them. A slip stitch into the arch, raising loop, and 11 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, slip stitch into the second, raising loop, and we make 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We turn, slip stitch, a raising loop, 7 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, turn, slip stitch to the second, raising loop, 5 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, turn, slip stitch, raising loop, 3 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, turn, slip stitch, raising loop, and the last 1 single crochet. We cut the thread, I'll see you in the end when all of them are finished. Okay, the round is finished. I just wanted to show you how it looks like. From each of them I have a thread going out, and I will show you how to hide them. The ones which were going here are hidden in the first row of each petal, and then it's just wrapped so you cannot see it. See you in the next round.